So I'm looking up Elvis and his death, and it said he didn't fucking shit for 5 months.
What?
Five
That's
months
almost impossible. How
before
could it
he
be?
died, and it wasn't from lack of fucking eating. The fat motherfucker was huge.
Like, don't you think? Like, where does it all go, bro? Like, if you don't shit for 5 months,
Well, yeah.
I can't go 24 hours without shitting, bro.
So I thought if I could go back in time, I would have took an X-Lax
You gave
and
him
helped the king. The king would be fucking 90 now. You know what I mean? Are you lonesome tonight? I can't shit tonight.
I love that.
Will you help me shit tonight?
That is great, dude. I mean, like I said, would you go back in time? You're damn right. I'd go back and help the king shit.